Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mira, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you step-by-step process on how to create a click-worthy thumbnails that are guaranteed to get you views using Canva. To start this video, to create a thumbnail, I usually consider this first step while creating a thumbnail, because guys, thumbnail can either break or make your video. Guys, thumbnail is like a ticket to a successful content. So I consider these four steps while creating my thumbnail, and guys, I will appreciate it if you guys also consider this first step, because that's the key. I've written them down here in my book. Guys, if you see me looking down, know that I'm reading from my book, because I've written down step by step on how to create a eye-catchy thumbnail that I guarantee. What's the point of thumbnail if it's not to get you more views and for your content to be clicked on? Guys, thumbnail is a ticket to your video or your content being played. Let's dive into this video. So guys, my first step on how to create a thumbnail that is worth clicking is first research its thumbnail. Guys, my first tip is to research the thumbnail. What do I mean by that? If, assuming now, you want to create a day in my life, just go to YouTube, search a day in my life video. Guys, you see tons of video. You see their thumbnail, you see what works for them, you see the thumbnails that work for them. Or okay, let's make, for instance, you want to create a makeup tutorial video, just click makeup tutorial. You see their thumbnail, what work for them, the thumbnail they use, how they edit, how the thumbnail looks. You see the certain pattern they follow. If they have a picture, you see the picture there. So that's number one, is the key. You have to first of all research the thumbnail. Number two is create a thumbnail, create the content. Okay, number one, you've researched the thumbnail, you've seen the picture, you've seen how it is set up, you've seen everything that is being done there. Two is to create it. You've seen the pictures are like this or like this. Two is the second step is to snap the picture. Maybe you want to fix eyelashes, or you want to learn how to, or you are doing a content on food, on mukbang. You've seen how the content should be, then create the content, snap the picture exactly like you've seen it. You've seen how the content look, create your own, snap it just exactly like that, or how you please, but just let it be similar to what others are doing. That's my third step. The first is research the thumbnail. The second one is create the thumbnail. The third one is edit the content. That's the thumbnail. Guys, you've taken the picture, you've researched the thumbnail, you've taken the picture. Now is to edit it, and this is the practical part. I will put a screen record of how I edit my thumbnail. I'll put that video once I'm done explaining the steps. So the third one is to edit the thumbnail. Guys, you've taken the picture, you have the picture now. So what are you going to do with it? To edit it. That's the practical part of it. I'm going to insert a video explaining it further. So that's for the fourth one, is to test the thumbnail. How do you test the thumbnail? You send it to, for me, for example, if I need to test my thumbnails, I send it to 4 of my friends or 3 of my family people. I'll create 4 or 3 different thumbnails, then send it to them for them to choose, to decide on which one is better, which one do they think work. And guys, it's guaranteed that anyone that they choose more, that thumbnail is going to get you views. Like if you should design 4 thumbnails and you send it to your sisters or your cousins or your friends, and 3 out of 2 choose the particular thumbnail, that thumbnail is guaranteed to give you views. So guys, that's the 4 step by step I use in creating a catchy thumbnail. Here I will insert a video of me editing my content. That's the third part, editing the thumbnail. I hope this video was helpful. Watch the video. So guys, once you open up the Canva app, this is the Canva app. Once you open it, you see different things, but you go to the search button and type YouTube thumbnail. That's what I'm typing now. Type YouTube thumbnail and search. You see options for YouTube thumbnail. So all these templates are thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail, the size and the shape. So you can just choose anyone. You can just click on anyone. I'm just showing you guys different things we have here. I'm using the free version. I'm not using the paid version. So just click on anyone that is free. So you see the paid one, you see paid, but the free one is free. But if it's the paid one, you see paid there. So click on it. Here I'm just deleting all those things there because I don't need them. I want to design my own. So I'm just taking out all those pictures and symbol there. I don't need them. Now we are done. I'm importing my pictures. Did you guys see where I went? I went to upload files, then click on the pictures I want to work on and just imported them. See the pictures here. I just imported my 2 pictures I'm working on. So now to work on it, I'll just be dragging. I'll drag and drop. I'll just be dragging the pictures till they are the size and the shape I want. I'm putting 2 pictures in this rectangle shape, so I want to make the 2 equal. So you can see in the screen, I'm dragging it up and dragging it down. Once I've gotten what I want, I will bring in the second picture. This is the first one. I'm shaping it to be on the center so it will not block the other one. So I'm done. I'm bringing in the other one. I'll do exactly the same thing I did in the first one. I'll do it in the second one. Then I'll start designing. So guys, to add text to this design, I'll go over to text. You can see it at the bottom. Click on it. There are so many options, so many designs, so many fonts and designs you can choose from. So I'm just showing, there is so many. You can do whatever you like. I'm just showing you guys so many things, how to explore, so many things you can use. I'm looking for the one that is okay for me. So guys, this 14th Valentine's Day is okay. I'll click on it, then it appears here. It turns black, but I can still change the color. I can do whatever I want. Just go to color, you see white, change it back to white. Then you click on that font, that 14th Valentine stuff. You see something that wrote ungroup. You can ungroup it. This one will be different, this one will be different. Then I change the 14 to 10 because this thumbnail is 10 minutes makeup look. So 14 is not supposed to be there, it's 10. So I'm changing it, I'm playing with it. I can change the font, I can change whatever, I can change the writing, anything I just want to do. Guys, you are allowed to do whatever, just anything that works for you. Guys, that design I was doing before, I don't like it, so I had to delete it. Now I'm going back to test. I'll choose another font. I like this one, so I've chosen it. I choose this one. I'll change the color back to white and edit it and write whatever I want to write on it. Just watch the video closely. You understand what I'm doing. Click on color and change to any color. You can change it to red, blue, green, any color of your choice. So guys, once you are done writing, you can drag it to make it large, or you can go to font size, then increase it there. Anyone, you can drag it, you can go to font size and increase it. So now I'm in font. I'm looking for something eye-catchy and very unique I can use in writing this quick and easy. So that's what I'm doing. You can go to font, just click on big. You can click as many as possible. Just check. So now I've gotten the font I want. I'll come to effects and click. If I want this black background, I'll click on it, but I don't think it's looking good, so I'll go back to effects and change it. You can just play with these things, put anyone you like. I think this one is better. I'm leaving this one. If you like the black background, you can keep it. You can still go back to test if you feel you still want to put something. I went back to test. I saw this font. It looks nice. I copied it. You can clean what they wrote there and write your own. That's a good. This Canva is very flexible. You can clean what they wrote there and write whatever you want. So that's what I'm doing. I'm cleaning their write-up and writing what I want.
side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right.
So guys, this is what we have. We click on the download button and download it. Very simple. It will automatically go to your gallery. Very simple. I'll show you where it is now. Just go to your photos. Just go to your photos. Guys, this is it. This is it. Yeah guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for, if you watch this video up to this moment and you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, share my videos, like my videos, leave a comment. I'd love to see you all comment. Leave your comments. So guys, I hope you learned one or two in this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. And see you in my next video. Okay, bye, kisses.